Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. So today I'll be creating this pink AF festival makeup look. So yeah, decided to call that because I don't know what to call it. So if y'all have a better name for this look, just leave a comment down below. But anyways, yeah, just added a lot of glitter, pink eyeshadow basically. Yep. And little hearts. Anyways, I hope you guys will like this video, and if y'all want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to do the voiceover on the eye part. So I'm going to start using Rose Paradise from starcrushedminerals. Outer V part. And then I'm just going to use a clean fluffy brush and just blending the edges out. And then I'll be using Fatal Attraction next and just applying that right underneath that other color and just doing the same thing. Then I'm using Audacious Plum and applying that on the outer corner and then the inner part of the crease. And I'm just using my previous brush just to clean some edges off. And then I'm using concealer to clean out my cut crease. And I'm just blending the edges out again with the previous brush. And then I'll be using Skinfrost and Neffree and then applying where I applied the concealer. And I'm using Audacious Plum and just cleaning up that line. And then everything I used in my crease, I'm just applying on the lower lash line. Then I'm using the Naked Cosmetics holographic palette, and I'm just using the top middle color as my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight. And then I'm using Velour Cosmetics pressed glitter and just applying that in the crease area. Then I'm using Candy of Love Golden Dreams and just applying right above that other glitter color, whatever. I'm not starting that over. And then I'm applying Aphrodite on the lower lash line. And then just the outer part. And then applying Golden Dreams right on top of that. And then I'm just applying a little heart in the middle on the lower lash line. Using Houseoflashes Iconic, and I'll apply this off camera. I'm done with the eye part. We're gonna start contouring, highlight, and finish off my face and do the lips and whatnot. So of course I'll be using what I usually use is my NYX Pro palette, Highlight and Contour Pro palette. This is really old. Probably need a new palette, but whatever. So we're gonna be using this color right here that is almost gone. And then I'll be using my Japanese brush. So I'll be using that to contour my face. So yeah. Then I'm going to be contouring my nose with the NYX blush and the color Taupe. Of course, this is pretty old too. I keep using it, but still got a good amount of bit left. So I'm just going to contour my nose using my Wet n Wild P25 brush. This is one of the new brush sets that they have. I think this is limited edition. This is like one of the, I want to say rose gold ones, or the pink ones, or whatever. It's one of the new ones. It's pretty. I really like these brush sets. Anyways, so I'm gonna contour my nose. Oh, my eye hurt. These bright lights always like mess with my contacts. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the NYX Big Blush in the color Statement Red. I don't know why it's red when it's like hot pink basically. I don't know why I keep using this. I really don't want to use my new blush color I got from BoxyCharm, but I just lightly put this on my face, so it's not too much. So I just put that right above my contour. And I'm using the Morphe Y3 brush. Next I'm going to highlight my face, so I'll be using the Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. I normally don't use liquid highlighters on my face because, yeah, I always mess it up for some reason. But anyways, we're just going to go for it because I'm going to apply another highlighter over it. So hopefully I don't mess up. Now I really like this color, it's really pretty. And it's in the color Halo Goodbye. So I'm just going to dab some on my cheekbone. Just dab it a little bit. So I'm just going to start blending it before I do my other cheek, because that's where I always mess up, so I try to do both cheeks. Using Jeffree Starcosmetics Skinfrost and Neffree, and that's what I use on my lids too. If I could just open it. So here's Neffree again. So I'm just going to be using my, oh, I almost dropped my mirror. I guess I'm just going to use this mirror. So I'm going to be using my Japanese highlighting brush. So I'm just going to apply that right above where I did the Wet n Wild highlighter. That just made that so bright. Let me try to, I didn't blend these edges out too good. It's so hard to see with all this light on me. I'm so blind too, so I usually have the mirror up in my face, but can't really put it up in my face or you can't see me applying the makeup. I could do that. Just keep applying more. Because why not? Because it's a festival, look anyways. So we're just going to ignore that I did a lot on this cheek. So yeah, we're gonna ignore that. So it's gonna apply a little bit on my nose and lip. For my lips, I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipsticks in Santa Baby and Prom. Don't know if that was in the right way, but who cares? So I'm going to do an ombre lip effect. So I'm going to start applying Santa Baby first. And look how cute. I am still loving these packaging. It's so pretty. Anyways. So I'm applying Santa Baby first. So I kind of suck at recording my lips. So that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. I'll have that all in the description box down below, and I'll make sure I'll put everything I use in this tutorial down there too, if y'all are curious of what products I use and all that whatnot, and yeah, all that good stuff down there. Anyways, hope you guys like this, and I really like my space buns. I think it's pretty cute, but I had to like add some extensions to get them to be bigger because they're little tiny space space buns before I added the clip-on extensions, so I think it looks better, and then I just wanted to look cute today. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.